All right, guys. So today I want to show you how to make your light flash like this when you are getting a phone call. And it also blinks when you get text like this. So super easy process, guys. If this video helps you, if you could consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It's a really easy way to support the work we're doing here, and I would really appreciate it. So let's jump in. The flashing light is actually an accessibility thing. So think if you are hard of hearing or can't hear, you would see that visual indicator, and that's how you're going to know that your phone is ringing. So we need to actually open up our settings. Inside of settings, we would scroll down to accessibility, and then in accessibility, we're going to find audio and visual. And here we'll go down to the very bottom. There's LED flash for alerts, and I have everything turned on. So this is the one, LED flash for alerts. You can turn this on and off. And then you can choose whether you want it to flash while unlocked or flash within silent mode. And that is how you're going to get your phone to flash when it rings or you get a message or an alert. So again, if this helps, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.